Hey there, I'm Dr. Ramon Velazquez, a Ph.D. neuroscientist with OptiNutra, and in this video we're going to take a look at vitamin B12, an essential nutrient for a healthy nervous system and the brain. When it comes to brain support, vitamin B12 provides a foundation for nervous system maintenance. It plays a role in the myelination that optimizes neurons, protects cerebral blood vessels from homocysteine, and helps maintain brain size during the aging process. One of the nootropic effects of B12 is that it helps protect mental clarity and cognitive function against age-related cognitive decline. It may also help to maintain healthy mental energy levels. The form of vitamin B12 in MyLab Pro is a nature-identical form called BioGenesis. BioGenesis is a clean, eco-friendly B12 grown on cultures in a state-of-the-art laboratory. It's complex with whole food cofactors to enhance absorption. It's also superior to cyanocobalamin vitamin B12 used in some nootropic stacks. Let's talk about the reasons we've decided to include vitamin B12 in MyLab Pro. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient for nervous system health, but as stomach acid naturally declines with age, it becomes much harder to absorb. In fact, 30% of all adults over 50 have trouble with B12 absorption. Since dietary B12 is obtained mostly from animal sources, vegans and vegetarians are also often deficient in vitamin B12. MyLab Pro is completely vegan-friendly. B12 deficiency can impact cognition. Inadequate B12 intake has been linked to age-related cognitive decline, emotional imbalance, brain degeneration, and other concerns. MyLab Pro supplies B12 as a foundation nootropic that many adults may be missing. By contributing to healthy B12 intake, MyLab Pro supports brain chemicals, nerve myelination, and brain energy. Let's take a look at how vitamin B12 may help with brain health and mental performance. When it comes to brain chemicals, B12 is a cofactor in the synthesis of dopamine and serotonin. Animal studies have shown that B12 deficient rats have lower levels of norepinephrine, suggesting additional brain chemical potential. For brain protection, vitamin B12 is used throughout the nervous system in the formation of myelin, the fatty sheet that protects and optimizes communication between neurons in the brain. For brain circulation, B12 plays a role in balancing homocysteine levels similar to the way B6 does. High levels of homocysteine have been linked to cerebrovascular damage and cognitive decline. B12 may help blood vessels and brain circulation by keeping homocysteine in check. One study found that B12 supplementation reduced homocysteine by 36%. To support brain energy, B12 has been suggested to play a role in cell energy metabolism throughout the body, including within brain cells. Let's talk about how vitamin B12 and lion's mane mushroom play into MyLab Pro's stack strategy for healthy brain structure. Both vitamin B12 and lion's mane mushroom have been suggested to assist with myelination, the formation of fatty myelin sheets that surround nerve cells. Healthy myelination helps to protect brain cells and accelerate neurotransmission. Together in MyLab Pro, vitamin B12 and lion's mane mushroom supply supporting nutrients for myelination needed for brain health, brain regeneration, and overall healthy function throughout the brain and nervous system. These are just some of the reasons we've decided to include vitamin B12 in MyLab Pro's universal nootropic formula. I'm Dr. Ramon Velazquez with OptiNutra and MyLab Pro. Thanks for watching.